What if your dog could sense an invisible world all around us? From hidden vibrations to things our eyes can't see, their abilities will leave you in awe. Dogs have extraordinary abilities to sense things we humans can't perceive. By the end of this video, you'll see the world through your dog's eyes and nose, in ways that might just blow your mind. Stick around for number 13. It's a phenomenon that science is still scratching its head over. Let's dive into these incredible canine superpowers. But before we get into it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Number 1. Dogs can detect the Earth's magnetic field. Did you know that your dog might be carrying around an internal GPS? Some studies, including research published in Frontiers in Zoology, suggest that dogs can sense the Earth's magnetic field. This ability is called magnetoreception. Dogs have been observed aligning their bodies north-south when relieving themselves, especially under calm geomagnetic conditions. This magnetic sense might also explain how some dogs find their way home over vast distances. It's not magic, it's biology. Scientists theorize that cryptochrome proteins in their eyes or noses might help them detect these magnetic fields. If your dog's behavior seems oddly precise, they might just be tapping into the Earth's natural compass. Number 2. Dogs can sense electromagnetic fields. Beyond detecting Earth's magnetic field, some researchers believe dogs are attuned to subtle electromagnetic changes in their environment. This ability might allow them to detect electronic devices, power lines, or even impending electrical storms. Anecdotal evidence suggests dogs might grow anxious before lightning strikes due to these subtle shifts, showcasing a sensory perception far beyond human capabilities. Number 3. Supercharged night vision. While we stumble around in the dark, your dog navigates with ease. This superpower comes from a reflective layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which bounces light back onto the retina. Combined with more rod cells in their eyes, which are sensitive to low light, dogs can see better in the dark than humans ever could. This evolutionary adaptation helped their wild ancestors hunt in low-light conditions. Next time your pup confidently leads you on a nighttime walk, give them credit for their superhero vision. They're not guessing, they're built for it. Number 4. Seeing the invisible, ultraviolet light. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. Dogs can detect ultraviolet, UV light. This was confirmed in a 2014 study published in the Proceedings of the Royal Society B. Unlike humans, whose lenses block UV light, dogs' lenses allow some UV light to pass through. This means they can see patterns and colors that are completely invisible to us. For example, flower petals might appear to glow, and urine trails left by other animals become crystal clear. So when your dog is sniffing or staring at something invisible, they're not imagining things. They're seeing a layer of reality we'll never comprehend. Number 5. Hearing frequencies beyond human range. Dogs have incredibly sensitive ears that can pick up frequencies ranging from 40 Hz to 60,000 Hz, far beyond the human hearing range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This heightened auditory ability allows them to detect ultrasonic frequencies, like the sound of a dog whistle or a rodent squeak. A 2016 study by the University of Nottingham found that dogs' acute hearing is one reason they become anxious during thunderstorms or fireworks. These sounds, amplified in their range, can feel overwhelming. You can help by playing calming music to mask these frequencies, offering your pup some relief. Number 6. Movement radar, hyper-aware to motion. Dogs are masters of movement detection. A large portion of their brain is dedicated to processing visual motion, making them extremely sensitive to even the smallest twitch. Whether it's a bug zipping past or your hand inching toward a treat, they notice. This ability is rooted in their hunting ancestry, where detecting subtle movements was key to survival. If you're training your dog, keep in mind that consistency in your body language is crucial. They're reading every cue you give, whether you realize it or not. Number 7. Emotional intelligence, your mood reader. If you've ever felt like your dog can read your mind, you're not entirely wrong. Dogs are emotional sponges, attuned to changes in your voice, posture, and even body chemistry. Research published in biology letters demonstrated that dogs can distinguish between happy and angry human faces. Moreover, their keen noses can detect pheromones and hormones like cortisol, which is released when you're stressed. This is why dogs often comfort you when you're down or seem extra playful when you're excited. Think of them as your built-in emotional support system. Number 8. Heat detection, a sixth sense. Dogs can sense heat using specialized receptors in their noses. A 2020 study published in Scientific Reports revealed that the tips of dogs' noses have infrared sensors capable of detecting minute changes in temperature. This ability, inherited from their predatory ancestors, helps them locate warm-blooded prey even in darkness. At home, this might explain why your dog snuggles close when you're sick or seeks out warm spots on a cold day. Their noses are doing far more than sniffing, they're feeling the world around them. Number 9. A world of smells beyond imagination. If humans had the olfactory abilities of dogs, we'd be able to sniff out everything from hidden objects to changes in someone's mood. Dogs' sense of smell is estimated to be 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours. Their noses are equipped with up to 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to our 5 million. This incredible sense allows dogs to detect pheromones, illnesses like cancer, or even changes in blood sugar levels. Some service dogs are trained to use this superpower to save lives by alerting their owners to medical emergencies. For dogs, the world is an intricate tapestry of scents, each carrying a story. Number 10. Limited but functional color vision. The idea that dogs see the world in black and white is a myth. Dogs have dichromatic vision, meaning they can see shades of blue, yellow, and gray. This is because their eyes lack the red-sensitive cones that humans have. While their color range is limited, it's perfectly suited to their needs. For example, blue and yellow toys stand out against green grass, making playtime easier for them. So the next time you're shopping for dog toys, skip the red and opt for colors they can actually enjoy. Number 11. Sensing infrasound, the Earth's hidden whispers. Dogs can detect infrasound, which is low-frequency vibrations below 20 Hz. Natural phenomena like earthquakes, avalanches, or approaching storms often produce these vibrations. According to a 2003 study in the Journal of Experimental Biology, dogs' ability to sense infrasound may explain why they sometimes act restless before a storm hits. If your dog suddenly becomes anxious or agitated, they might be picking up on these subtle environmental cues. Pay attention to their behavior. They could be warning you about something you can't hear or feel yet. Number 12. Dogs detect hormonal changes in humans. Dogs have an incredible ability to sense shifts in human hormones, such as cortisol or adrenaline, which are associated with stress and anxiety. Beyond emotions, they can detect hormonal changes related to ovulation, pregnancy, or even impending childbirth. This sensitivity explains why some dogs become unusually protective or clingy around expectant mothers or individuals undergoing hormonal fluctuations, offering a remarkable, intuitive connection. Number 13. Do dogs sense the paranormal? This one's a mix of fact and speculation. Many dog owners swear their pets react to unseen entities, growling or barking at seemingly empty spaces. While there's no scientific evidence proving dogs can sense ghosts, their heightened senses of hearing, smell, and energy detection could offer a rational explanation. Dogs might be reacting to faint noises, subtle changes in air pressure, or unfamiliar scents. Alternatively, they might be picking up on your own anxiety or fear in a particular situation. Whether it's supernatural or not, it's a reminder of just how finely tuned your dog's senses are. Understanding these extraordinary abilities can deepen your bond with your dog and help you better interpret their behavior. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about your furry friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you the best stories and facts about dogs. But remember, their trust in you is just as important as their senses.